Welcome to Balanga in Bataan and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Numerous theories exist regarding the origin of the name Balanga, but the most prevalent narrative suggests a derivation from the Tagalog word banga, meaning clay pot, a product for which the area has been renowned since the pre-colonial era and continues to be known. Legend has it that Raha Mulawin, the divine king residing in Mount Samat, commanded his people to create the largest clay pot for his princess daughter's transportation across a substantial stream. Layak emerged victorious in the challenge, earning the title of Prince Layak. The ensuing wedding festivities prominently featured Layak's clay pot masterpiece, and it is from this recurring tale that the area acquired the name Balanga. Several local histories of Balanga revolve around the symbolic clay pot. In one account, a local girl carrying a clay pot filled with water on her head encountered two lost Spaniards on horseback. Unable to communicate due to language barriers, the frightened girl ran away, shouting Balanga as a plea for help to anyone in the village, fearing that the clay pot might break and spill the precious water. The Aitas and the Sambals are considered the indigenous peoples of Bataan. These groups have a long history of inhabiting the region and are known for their distinct cultures, languages, and traditional practices. The Aitas, in particular, are recognized as one of the earliest inhabitants of the Philippines. Bataan's coastal location facilitated trade and interactions with neighboring communities and islands. Pre-colonial societies engaged in barter and trade, exchanging goods such as local products, crafts, and marine resources. Agriculture was a crucial aspect of pre-colonial life. The fertile lands of Bataan were utilized for farming, with communities practicing various agricultural techniques to cultivate crops for sustenance. Pre-colonial communities in Bataan, like other parts of the Philippines, had their own spiritual and cultural beliefs. Anitos, or spirits, played a significant role in their belief system. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to appease these spirits and ensure a harmonious relationship with nature. The indigenous communities in Bataan had their own social structures and systems of governance. Chiefs or tribal leaders played a role in decision-making and maintaining order within the community. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Bataan. The Spanish influence brought about changes in governance, culture, and religion with the introduction of Christianity and the establishment of Spanish settlements. Balanga was previously a part of the neighboring Abukay until it was incorporated in the territory under the Dominican Order on April 21, 1714. Subsequently, it attained the status of vicariate, led by a titular bishop on April 18, 1739. General Pedro Manuel Aranja, having separated it from the rest of the region, designated Balanga as the capital of Bataan.